Meta 推出全新的社群平台 Threads，今仔日上线，而且呢，因主要是提供这文字对话，而且会当和 Instagram 相接。洪正伟讲是甲马斯克的 Twitter 来对写，也若讲到这个繁体花文，伫今仔日台湾要上线了。
推特最近一直有争议，今麦搁面临重大挑战，因为切拉起 Meta 旗下 IG 推出 Threads 这款文字对话 App， 可能加做推特的杀手。
I think Threads is going to pose a huge threat to Twitter because it's coming from the Meta and Instagram family of apps. Instagram has 2 billion users compared to around 250 million of Twitter, so it's about 10 times bigger already. So if only 1 in 10 Instagram users tries using Threads, it's overtaken Twitter in the blink of an eye.
Threads 功能甲推特类似，虽然发文限制500字，不过用户会当对其他的信息按赞、评论、转发，也会当上传相片，甲上长5分钟的影片。更较方便的是，会当为 IG 汇入现有口座名称，甲追随者的名单。不少网红已经想要试看卖啊。
And if this is the future that you want to see, then I hope that you will join us, because the future is going to be beyond anything we can imagine.
Meta 执行长萨克伯格除了伫第一时间订阅 Threads 发文之外，也罕见伫推特发布一张两个蜘蛛人面对面记着对方的图片，像咧暗示家己当咧甲推特的头家马克思进行对决。分析认为，对 Meta 来讲，即马当时出击上好时机。
Since Elon Musk took over, the system itself isn't working as well as it should. Just over the weekend, we saw Twitter go down and then limits put in place for users so that it doesn't break the servers again. So that just on its own is enough to send people elsewhere.
Threads 目前伫全球100个国家，拢会当透过苹果甲 Google 应用商店下载。那伫台湾公布上线的繁体中文版4点钟已经累计500万注册量，不过伫欧边国家因为监管机构对各自使用有疑虑，就计时间会延迟。公司新闻张惠敏编译。